Vlogging, short for video blogging, has become a popular way for individuals to share their thoughts, experiences, and creativity with a broader audience through video content. If you're a beginner vlogger looking to get started, here are some essential tips to help you kickstart your vlogging journey. Define your niche. Decide on the specific topics or themes you want to cover in your vlogs. Finding a niche allows you to target a specific audience and build a dedicated following interested in your content. Quality equipment can make a noticeable difference in the overall production value of your vlogs. Here's a bit more detail on each essential piece of equipment. Camera. A good camera is crucial for producing high-quality video content. While many smartphones nowadays have decent cameras, investing in a dedicated vlogging camera can offer more features, better image stabilization, and improved low-light performance. Look for a camera that shoots in at least 1080p resolution, Full HD, or higher for crisp and clear visuals. Microphone. High-quality audio is just as important as video quality. Built-in camera microphones often pick up unwanted background noise and may not capture your voice clearly. Consider investing in an external microphone, such as a lavalier microphone or a shotgun microphone, to ensure clear and professional-sounding audio. Tripod. A tripod is essential for stabilizing your camera and preventing shaky footage. It provides a steady platform for your camera, especially during vlogging on the go or when you are recording yourself without assistance. While these are the minimum essentials, there are additional accessories and equipment that can further enhance your vlogs. Lighting. Good lighting can drastically improve the visual quality of your videos. Consider investing in softbox lights or LED panels to achieve a well-lit and flattering look. External hard drive. As you create more content, you'll need ample storage space to keep your video files. An external hard drive can help you keep your footage organized and prevent your computer from getting cluttered. Video editing software. A reliable video editing software will allow you to fine-tune your footage, add music and graphics, and create a polished final product. There are various free and paid options available, so choose one that suits your needs and level of expertise. Remember, you don't need to break the bank to get started with vlogging. Research and compare different options within your budget and choose equipment that strikes a balance between quality and affordability. As your vlogging journey progresses and you gain more experience, you can consider upgrading your gear to meet the demands of your growing audience. Planning your content is a crucial step in creating engaging and well-structured vlogs. Here's a guide to help you effectively plan your vlogs. Choose a topic. Decide on the central theme or topic of your vlog. Your topic should align with your niche and appeal to your target audience. Define objectives. Determine the goals you want to achieve with your vlog. Are you trying to entertain, educate, inspire, or share a personal experience? Clarifying your objectives will guide your content creation. Create an outline. Before you start filming, create an outline that breaks down the main points you want to cover in your vlog. Organize your ideas in a logical sequence to ensure a smooth flow of information. Intro. Plan a compelling introduction to hook your viewers from the start. Introduce yourself, provide context for the vlog, and create anticipation for what's to come. Main content. Present your key points or storyline. If you're sharing tips or advice, make sure they are clear and actionable. If it's a vlog about a personal experience, take viewers along on your journey with vivid storytelling. Visuals and B-roll. Consider incorporating additional visuals, such as cutaway shots or B-roll, to keep the vlog visually engaging. B-roll is footage that complements your main content and provides context or adds interest. Transitions. Plan smooth transitions between different sections of your vlog. This can be done through simple cuts, fade-ins, or creative transition effects. Call to action, CTA. Include a clear CTA at the end of your vlog. Encourage viewers to like, comment, subscribe, or visit your website for more content. Engaging with your audience and building a community is essential for vlogging success. Script or bullet points. Decide whether you'll be scripting your vlog word for word or using bullet points to guide your content. Find the approach that works best for you, ensuring you sound natural and not overly scripted. Time management. Keep track of your video's length during planning to ensure it aligns with your target duration. Avoid going off topic or overloading the video with information. Review and rehearse. Before filming, review your outline or script, and rehearse your delivery. This will help you familiarize yourself with the content and ensure a smoother recording process. Keep it concise. Aim for a reasonable video length, typically between 5 to 10 minutes, as most viewers have limited attention spans. If your content requires more time, make sure it remains engaging throughout. Be authentic, be yourself on camera. Authenticity and genuineness will resonate with viewers and make them more likely to connect with you and subscribe to your channel. Engage with your audience, encourage comments, respond to questions, and interact with your viewers. Building a community around your vlog will foster loyalty and support. Edit your videos. Learning basic video editing skills is essential to polish your vlogs. Use editing software to trim, cut, and add graphics or music to enhance your videos. Focus on audio quality. Good audio is just as important as video quality. Invest in a decent external microphone to ensure clear and crisp sound. Use proper lighting. Adequate lighting can significantly improve the visual appeal of your vlogs. If you're shooting indoors, choose a well-lit area or consider investing in softbox lights. Master storytelling. Learn the art of storytelling to engage your viewers from start to finish. Create compelling narratives or take viewers along on your adventures. Be consistent. Upload content on a regular schedule to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Consistency helps build anticipation and trust with your viewers. Promoting your vlogs is essential to grow your audience and reach new viewers. Here are some effective ways to promote your vlogs. Social media sharing. Share your vlogs on popular social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Craft engaging captions and use relevant hashtags to increase discoverability. Utilize YouTube SEO. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords. This will improve your vlog's chances of appearing in search results and recommended videos on YouTube. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and interact with your viewers. Building a strong relationship with your audience encourages them to stay engaged and share your content with others. Cross-promote with other vloggers. Collaborate with other vloggers in your niche or related niches. Guest appearances, shoutouts, or collaborative projects can introduce your content to a wider audience. Email newsletter. If you have an email list, notify your subscribers whenever you upload a new vlog. This direct communication can bring consistent traffic to your channel. Blog and website integration. Embed your vlogs on your blog or website. If you have a blog post that aligns with your vlog's content, include the video within the post to provide additional value to your readers. Participate in online communities. Join relevant forums, subreddits, or Facebook groups related to your niche. Engage in discussions and share your vlogs when appropriate, following community guidelines. Collaborate with influencers. Reach out to influencers or content creators with a similar target audience. Partnering with them for a video or having them share your vlog can introduce your channel to a new group of viewers. Create teasers and trailers. Craft short teasers or trailers for your vlogs and share them on social media to generate curiosity and anticipation among your followers. Promote across multiple platforms. Don't limit your promotion to just one platform. Share your vlogs across various social media platforms and online forums to increase visibility. Analyze performance. Use analytics tools on YouTube or other platforms to track the performance of your vlogs. Identify what content works best and adapt your future promotion strategies accordingly. Repurpose content. Create shorter clips or highlights from your vlogs and share them on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Twitter to capture the attention of different audiences. Analyze your performance. Use analytics tools provided by platforms like YouTube to track your viewership and understand which videos resonate best with your audience. This will help you tailor your future content. Learn from others. Watch and analyze successful vloggers in your niche to understand what makes their content appealing. Take inspiration, but always put your unique spin on your vlogs. Stay patient and persistent. Building a successful vlogging channel takes time and dedication. Don't get discouraged by slow growth initially. Keep creating quality content and engaging with your audience. Remember, vlogging is a journey, and your skills will improve with time and practice. Stay passionate about your content, be open to feedback, and continuously strive to improve your craft. Good luck with your vlogging endeavors.